In this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best scuba travel bags in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Akona Globetrotter All-in-One Carry-On Backpack. In case you're on the chase for the best scuba knapsack, look no farther than the Akona Globetrotter across-the-board carry-on backpack. Coming in gray and blue or gray and red, it's snazzy as well as amazingly practical for your jump trips. Bring all you require in a helpful knapsack configuration that is ideal for taking out and about, water, and air. The pack itself is entirely agreeable to wear, in any event, for expanded timeframes. You likewise get an advantageous convey handle on the top on the off chance that you rather transport it that way. The Globetrotter is made with detail and care, as is clear in each part of this sack. Intended for the Akona Pro Reg bag to sit at the base, you have abundant space for your BCD, controller, octopus, cover, snorkel, and every single other frill. Plan on having the option to fit in a full ash, boots, and then some. In the case of traveling via air, you'll effectively have the option to spare money on handled bags, as well. In the event that you'd like, you can likewise pull out the controller pack and use it independently to spare much more space in the principal compartment. You'll discover convenient pressure lashes situated on either side of the pack for you to rapidly get them and go. Number 2, Aqua Lung Scuba Diving Mariner Mesh Bag. In case you're new to plunging and don't have a clue whether you need to put a ton of cash in the game yet or are just attempting to set aside some cash, the Aqua Lung Scuba Diving Mariner Mesh Bag is an incredible move. Coming in either blue or black, the plan is fundamental yet smooth and helpful. On the off chance that you like the vibe of duffel bags and the huge measure of room they offer at that point, stay tuned. What's truly incredible about this plan is that it's so delicate and moldable that you can fit it pretty much any place. While the more unbending knapsacks and rollers consume a specific space whether it's full or void, these can overlay down into substantially more reduced impressions. This makes them great for a wide range of travel, however especially air travel. Not anymore paying for handled bags when you can fit everything in this one. The best jump gear sack comes accessible in either medium or large sizes, so you can pick which turns out best for your rigging. In case you're taking your BCD, controller, veil, swim, and so forth, then you'll likely be okay with the medium, yet on the off chance that you'll be pressing in your suit, garments, boots and all the more, then we suggest settling on the large. Made of a splendid blend of both rock-solid PVC work and nylon uphold webbing, it's adaptable and stretchy however still stays sufficiently strong to withstand customary use. You will pick how you need to convey it, with hand snatches or a discretionary shoulder lash. Nylon D-rings hold up well, and accompany nylon turn equipment to the tide doesn't cut into you. Number 3, Mares Cruise Mesh Backpack Deluxe. It very well may be extreme attempting to discover probably the best plunge bags for traveling, however the Mares Cruise Mesh Backpack Deluxe is consistently an astounding decision. Certainly, it might be somewhat more costly forthright, however we can guarantee you that it's at last going to set aside you cash and time. Yet it's a balanced, total plan that offers all that you would actually need from a plunge pack. The all-dark plan is smooth yet energetic, highlighting an intelligent silver stripe on the front for included perceivability and security your part. One thing that we should note first thing is that this thing is large. So huge that you could presumably fit a little kid in it. So, this model is ideal for the individuals who like to pack a great deal of rigging and additional items all in a solitary sack. Made of PVC, nylon, and polyester, it's one of the most uncompromising out there, which bodes well when you consider exactly the amount it can uphold. The PVC net is incredible to have, letting water and some other dampness channel without you busy. Access is easy on your part, with a drawstring top and a speedy access zipper as an afterthought, so you don't need to go burrowing right from the top to discover what you're searching for. The principal compartment is gigantic, however you likewise get a cushioned external pocket to securely stow your controller and PC. It's tied in with guarding your rigging, yet about keeping you comfortable, as well. With cushioned get handles, you can simply get it and go. Cushioned shoulder ties let you convey it like a rucksack sans hands, and an enemy of ski base shields it from sliding off the vessel. All things considered, in case you're not kidding about jumping, we can't suggest this one enough. Number 4, Tusa BA0103 Mesh Backpack. Descending towards the finish of our rundown, we present to you the Tusa BA0103 Mesh Backpack. What could ostensibly be viewed as the best scuba knapsack. In addition to the fact that it is a top choice in execution, yet additionally in appearance. Coming in cobalt blue, hot pink, and black, they're extremely in vogue and simple to spot in a group. Tusa was really one of the main brands to bring us gem silicone veil skirts just as a portion of the principal energetically hued bits of apparatus, which is nothing unexpected when you consider how all-around made this sack is. The fundamental compartment is one of the most liberal we've utilized, accompanying intense rubber-treated work. The work is adaptable and takes into account amazing wind stream while emptying out water so your rigging remains dry and fit as a fiddle. The top makes shoreabout with a zipper, making it one of the most secure and generally secure of the pack. As the zipper is broadened, you don't need to pack your arm inside attempting to discover what you're searching for. You additionally get an inward zippered pocket for assets. An enormous external pocket has a snare and circle conclusion which makes it basic for quick access. Look over wearing it like a rucksack with cushioned shoulder ties or basically utilize the snappy get handle on top, whatever turns out best for you. Number 5, Tusa BA0301 Roller Mesh Bag. To wrap things up, we have one more Tusa model. This time, we present to you the BA0301 Roller Mesh Bag, which is additional compact and flexible. Decide to utilize it with side handles like a duffel sack, snatch it from the top lash and use it like a moving bit of gear, or sling it over you with the movable shoulder tie. We were unable to locate some other as adaptable as the 0301, so we profoundly urge you to give it a go. Immediately, you can tell that this is a top-notch item from simply the looks. The all-dark, smooth appearance accompanies present-day marking down the side which looks lively and costly. The tremendous principal compartment will consistently fit all of the rigging you require and any additional items you'd prefer to bring. One huge external pocket will hold your blades or dress, guarding it from any dampness. The sides are totally contained tough rubber-treated work to let out any dampness and take into consideration fantastic wind stream to keep your things dry. Solid smooth floating wheels will drop all the weight from your shoulders in a real sense, so you can show up at your objective with no torment.